back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. This one is dealing with all kinds of billing, helping get people refunds and credits to their account where needed. The company is Formstack. They have 89 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.9 out of 5-star rating. As always, this Glassdoor page plus the job description page, if you're interested in getting that application in or doing some additional research and reading some of the reviews on the company, are always in the YouTube description box below this video. But Formstack is hiring a billing customer support specialist. Now, this is remote for my United States folks only. It is a full-time salaried position. But Formstack is looking for a billing customer support specialist to help contribute to their team and company goals by providing timely billing support. You'll be the primary point person for incoming billing support request via email and support. I don't know what support means, if that's like support tickets or if that means phone. They do not specifically state anything about being on the phone. I'm assuming the majority of this is going to be non-phone through email or chat or some kind of support tickets. You'll perform a daily billing task like preparations of refunds and credits. You'll issue invoices. You'll process customer account charges. You'll respond to their billing inquiries and help them update their billing information, probably cards that they have on file. You'll communicate complexities in a clear and concise way that is easy for the customers to understand. You'll work in a fast-paced environment and meet and exceed their inbound ticket quotas. You'll assist in monitoring past due customer accounts, and you'll help when you don't have billing things to do. Maintain the written or video process documentation like the FAQ section. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just somebody who is fluent in written and spoken English. They want somebody who has 1 to 3 years of experience in customer service, on specifically doing billing or collections, someone who has experience working particularly with software as a service billing. Of course, you got to be highly organized and have the ability to multitask. Now, they are paying anywhere from $45,000 up to $55,000 a year for this position, and they're offering a bonus of up to 5% of your salary. Of course, they also offer a standard benefit package that includes health, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off. They're also giving you the most up-to-date technology, including a company-issued Mac computer that is already loaded with the latest software and other tools. So this is perfect for someone who wants to work from home but doesn't have a home office set up. All right, if you have any suggestions on things I could do differently, things I could improve on, how I could make these work from home job leads more helpful to you, please leave that down below in the comments. Also, feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.